Owning American muscle cars is almost a common dream for iconic car lovers. But have you heard of a car that is not only popular for its attractive, sleek looks, but also for its lavish, comfy interior? If not, then buckle up for a dreamy ride on such comfy beasts. Yeah, you got it right. Today we're back on an adrenaline-fueled journey where we're counting down the top 10 most comfortable beasts. Without wasting any time, come on, feel the power and experience the sheer thrill. On number 10, we have the 2022 Ford Mustang GT. Here comes a versatile companion, the 2022 Ford Mustang GT, which is absolutely a lifestyle choice that fits anyone's taste and style. For this model, Ford offers its Mustang shoppers a wider selection of appearance packages to help differentiate the popular ride. But don't be fooled by its cylinder count. The standard turbocharged EcoBoost 4-cylinder probably has enough punch to embarrass V8 Mustangs of old. Well, for your knowledge, the GT models are motivated by a 450 horsepower V8 with an optional active exhaust that emits a thunderous roar. What's more impressive, this American legacy includes a scoop on the rear fender, the tri-bar taillights, the shark bite front grille, and other exclusive exterior and interior appointments. Worried about comfort? And this is a perfect fit, as the Mustang interior is better than ever. With an evolutionary design that goes back to the Mustangs of old, while managing to be fully functional and livable. It's available with premium features such as heated and cooled front seats, and comes equipped with advanced technology features, including a user-friendly infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Its remarkable performance combined with impressive cargo space boasts its impressive track capabilities, making the Mustang a high-performance daily driver. To add on, the Mustang is also available with more driver assistance technology than any rival car, so you can go faster and feel safer. That is how driver assist works, right? No doubt, the 2022 Mustang GT carries on a rich heritage and legacy that spans over 5 decades, making it a beloved symbol of American automotive performance and culture. On number 9, we have the 2022 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. The 2022 Dodge Challenger SRT is a modern-day American muscle car with old-school roots. Curious to know what SRT is? SRT stands for Street Racing and Technology, which usually refers to high-performance models of the brand. This marvel boasts an incredibly powerful engine that delivers mind-blowing performance, equipped with a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 engine that churns out 717 horsepower in its standard configuration. Yet another variant, the Hellcat Red-Eye, is also available, which roars the power up to an astonishing 797 horsepower. Yearning to know about its interior? The Challenger interior was redesigned for the 2015 model year with a driver-centric layout, straightforward switchgear, and better materials. The SRT twins have standard leather finery, unique badging and gauge colors, and heated and ventilated front seats. The Dodge held 6 carry-ons in its trunk and an impressive 15 total with the rear seat stowed. Additionally, its technological features include navigation, a bump and stereo, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Such hard-stealing features of the 2022 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat make it one of the most powerful production cars on the market, capable of delivering an exhilarating driving experience like no other. On number 8, we have the 2022 Chevrolet Camaro SS. The 2022 Chevrolet Camaro offers you the pure and simple joy of driving. It maintains the iconic design, which has made it a favorite among muscle car enthusiasts. With its aggressive stance, bold lines, and distinctive grille, it's a head-turner on the road. Under the hood lies a default engine of 275 horsepower Turbo 4, but opting for the 335 horsepower V6 or the 455 horsepower V8 unlocks more melodic soundtracks and punchier acceleration. And of course, the standard 6-speed manual transmission maintains the enthusiast spirit. Did you know? The Camaro interior is an improvement over the previous generation, with better materials and a more modern look. Drivers are treated to a cockpit-like environment designed for maximum control and comfort. Features like sports seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and inbuilt controls create an immersive driving experience. Additionally, it is equipped with advanced performance technologies to enhance its driving dynamics, featuring magnetic ride control, performance traction management, and launch control. No wonder, with its attractive looks, this legendary car surely captivates the minds of car enthusiasts. If you've been revving your engines and enjoying the ride with us, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. On number 7, we have the 2022 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat. Hold on to your butts as we ride on to the 2022 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat. This wild car is known for its incredible speed. Powered by a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 engine, it produces a staggering 717 horsepower and 650 pound-foot of torque, making it one of the fastest muscle cars on the market. And don't miss marking its record-breaking acceleration, which can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds, making it stand out. This exclusive production offers a luxurious and comfortable cabin with premium materials and advanced technology features. From heated and ventilated seats to a customizable digital instrument cluster, it provides a high level of comfort and convenience for both driver and passengers. Here's a fun fact. Despite its large size and muscular appearance, the Charger SRT Hellcat is surprisingly quick and capable on the track, all thanks to the high-performance Brembo brakes and advanced traction control systems. On number 6, we have the 1970 Dodge Challenger RT. Dodge manufactured approximately 77,000 Challengers of all engine and trim variations in the model year 1970, so they certainly weren't rare back in the day. It was built to compete with other legendary muscle cars like the Ford Mustang and Chevrolet Camaro. One of the most famous features of the 1970 Challenger RT was its optional engine, the legendary 426 Hemi V8. This engine was capable of producing an impressive 425 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful engines of its time. And guess what? It could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 5 seconds and had a top speed of around 140 miles per hour. Let's not miss the interior. The Challenger RT came equipped with bucket seats, providing ample support and comfort for both the driver and passengers during long journeys or spirited drives. Dodge used high-quality materials throughout its interior, including premium upholstery options that added a touch of luxury to the cabin, and its look truly embraced a retro aesthetic. Overall, it combined comfort, style, and functionality to create a driving environment that was both enjoyable and engaging for enthusiasts of the era. On number 5, we have the 1966 Pontiac GTO. The 1966 Pontiac GTO is often considered one of the most iconic and influential muscle cars of all time. It played a significant role in popularizing the muscle car trend in the 1960s. This legend is more commonly known as the Great One due to its reputation for exceptional performance on the road and the racetrack. Its powerful engine setup consists of 3 two-barrel carburetors mounted on top of a 389 cubic inch V8 engine, producing up to 360 horsepower. Have you heard of its stylish design? It boasts an aggressive and athletic appearance with distinctive styling features such as stacked headlights, a split grille, and hood scoops. Additionally, it offers comfortable seating for your travels. They were often upholstered in high-quality materials such as vinyl or cloth, with various color options available to suit different tastes. This icon of its era had a strong presence on the racetrack, dominating drag strips and stock car competitions across the country. Next comes number 4, the 1970 Buick GSX. The 1970 Buick GSX was a rare gem of its time, produced in limited numbers. It was available in 2 striking colors, Saturn Yellow and Apollo White, featuring distinctive body stripes and graphics. To add a cherry on top, it had a hood-mounted tachometer and a rear spoiler, giving it an aggressive and sporty appearance. Let me surprise you with its roaring power. It is powered by a 455 cubic inch V8 engine, rated at 360 horsepower and 510 pound-foot of torque, which was one of the most powerful engines available at the time. Here's a fact. In 1970, a Buick GSX equipped with the Stage 1 Performance Package set a record for the fastest quarter-mile time of any production car at the time, clocking in at 13.38 seconds at 105 miles per hour. And to be specific about its luxury features, it offered air conditioning, power windows, and a tilt steering column. This combination of performance and comfort made it a unique offering in the muscle car market. And mark my words, it's not only a powerful street machine, but also had success on the racetrack. Enjoying the thrill of muscular beasts? Then hit the subscribe button right away. And don't forget to ring the bell icon to stay notified whenever we drop a new video. On number 3, we have the 1969 Oldsmobile 442 Hurst. a collaboration between Oldsmobile and Hurst Performance, a company renowned for its high-performance aftermarket parts and accessories, resulted in a limited edition model, the 1969 Oldsmobile 442 Hurst. It was produced in limited numbers, with only 906 units built, eventually making it a highly sought-after collector's item today. Wondering about its looks? It was available exclusively in cameo white with fire frost gold stripes and accents, giving it a striking and memorable appearance. It had a lightweight body and was powered by a potent 455 cubic inch V8 engine, capable of producing up to 380 horsepower and 500 pound-foot of torque. Additionally, the 442 Hurst came equipped with comfortable bucket seats for the driver and front passenger. Its interior featured wood grain accents on the dashboard, center console, and door panels. These elegant touches added a touch of luxury to the cabin and enhanced the overall aesthetic appeal. Special Hurst badging and emblems highlighted its special edition status. Here's a fact. One of the most notable features of the 442 Hurst was its Hurst dual-gate shifter, also known as the his and hers shifter, which allows drivers to manually shift gears. On number 2, we have the 1965 Pontiac 2+2. The Pontiac 2+2 was introduced as a performance-oriented option package for the Pontiac Catalina, available as both a hardtop coupe and a convertible. Its unique styling set it apart from other models of its era. These include grille design, quad headlights, specific badging, and many more. What's under the hood? Here lies a typically featured Pontiac's potent V8 engine, ranging from 389 to 421 cubic inches, delivering impressive horsepower and torque for its time. Despite its high performance, it also offers luxurious comfort for travelers, boasting a spacious interior with comfortable seating for 4 occupants, equipped with relaxing features such as power windows, power seats, and air conditioning, making it a desirable option for those seeking both performance and comfort. And yet, if you crave a sports car additionally, this is a perfect fit that has surprisingly left its footprints on the racing circuit, particularly in NASCAR competitions. No doubt, this exception embodies the spirit of the era's muscle car culture while offering a unique blend of performance and luxury. On number 1, we have the 1969 AMC AMX. Introducing an iconic design of 1969 that is unique in its features and looks, unlike other muscle cars of the late 1960s. The 1969 AMC AMX. To your surprise, it was a 2-seater, emphasizing its focus on performance and driving experience. This legendary car offered a range of powerful engine options, including the base 290 cubic inch V8, as well as the optional engines like the 343, 390, and even a high-performance 390 V8. The question that ponders in curious minds must seek for what made its appearance iconic. It had a bold and aggressive front grille, sleek body lines, and a muscular stance, which highlighted its handsome looks. The AMC AMX was known for its relatively short wheelbase compared to other muscle cars of its time, which gave it a more nimble and sporty feel. Therefore, this masterpiece played a role in American automotive culture, representing a unique and independent approach to the muscle car segment. We hope you enjoyed discovering these iconic gems, blending impressive high performance with comfort. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which American prestige car you would love to add to your collection. Also, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Until next time, keep driving and stay tuned for more automotive adventures.